based on the polls 538 has lowered Trump's chances of Super All Roads lead home at Christmas red truck bird Xmas shirt winning from 22% to 20%, which is heading in the right direction. Sure, but that's still way too high to discount. Let's get the vote out and destroy him. 54 to 41 is a crazy huge lead. Almost zero undecideds. And 2 million votes already in the bank. The polls mean nothing. Vote Biden. I know he's not exciting, but I think we have had enough excitement the last 4 years. We need competency. Biden and Harris have that. CNBC isn't a great pollster, but the improvement is still really good. Super All Roads lead home at Christmas red truck bird Xmas shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt, and hoodie. Tank top, sweatshirt, hoodie, V-neck. All latest post-debate polls have Super All Roads lead home at Christmas red truck bird Xmas shirts. Biden's lead back in at least the 8 to 9 point margin, and he's been in swing states. Pretty up, we need a landslide margin to overcome all the rat. Psychopath, pussy grabber, draft dogger, traitor, dementia, pathological liar, sociopath, narcissistic adulterer, dementia, KKK, white supremacist, corrupter, treason, chaos leader, racist, pig, clown, bully. Trump is the loser. Start packing. The American majority is not racist people. You lose. Prick. Start talking to friends and family. I know it's difficult. I'm currently battling it out with my family. But slowly we can make progress. Other product.